Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting features of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. If you're a drone enthusiast, this video is for you. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro comes with a remarkable 6x telephoto camera, which offers impressive zoom capabilities. This feature allows you to capture detailed shots from a distance, making your aerial photography even more dynamic. Whether you're filming landscapes, wildlife, or urban scenes, the 6x zoom provides incredible versatility and detail. The Mavic 4 Pro also boasts upgraded camera hardware compared to its predecessor. This means you can expect better image and video quality, enhancing your overall experience with the drone. The improved hardware ensures that your footage is crisp, clear, and vibrant, making it ideal for both amateur and professional videographers. The leaked video from a beta tester shows a prototype unit with various stickers, giving us a glimpse of what to expect from this new model. Another exciting feature is the vertical video support. This is a new addition for DJI drones, enabling you to capture videos in a vertical format. This feature is perfect for social media content, allowing you to create videos that are optimized for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. The vertical video support opens up new possibilities for content creators who want to engage with their audience in a more mobile-friendly format. The video also reveals shortcuts for different zoom levels, including 1x, 2.5x, and 6x. These shortcuts align with the primary, medium telephoto, and long telephoto cameras, making it easier for you to switch between different zoom levels quickly and efficiently. This feature ensures that you can capture the perfect shot without missing a moment, whether you're zooming in for a close-up or capturing a wide landscape. In summary, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro combines cutting-edge technology with impressive features, making it a highly anticipated device in the drone market. With its 6x telephoto camera, vertical video support, upgraded camera hardware, and convenient zoom shortcuts, it's set to elevate your aerial photography and videography to new heights. Stay tuned as we explore more about this exciting new drone and other upcoming tech innovations. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.